Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. What we have here is regular canned green beans dipped in flour with salt and pepper, and we're frying them. Don't know how it's going to work. Maybe it'll turn out good, maybe it won't, we'll see. They seem to be frying up pretty good there. I think that's all the green beans out of there that are dipped in flour with salt and pepper and are now frying in a pan. We'll turn them over, give them about 30-44 seconds, maybe a minute. They'll be ready to eat. They're crispy and delicious and fried. Thanks.